What is artificial intelligence? Intro. Welcome to the AI Dictionary by Susie Hala, where we explain AI terms in plain, simple language. In today's episode, we begin at the beginning. What is artificial intelligence? Definition: Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines and systems that can perform tasks which normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. Key components: AI is built on several major components. First, there is machine learning, which allows computers to learn from data. Second, natural language processing, which helps machines understand and communicate using human language. Third, computer vision, which enables machines to see and interpret images. And finally, robotics, where AI is used to power smart physical machines. Real-life examples: we interact with AI every day, even if we don't realize it. When you ask Siri or Alexa a question, when Netflix suggests a movie you'll probably like, or when Google Maps gives you the fastest route, that's AI in action. Benefits: AI can help us make faster decisions, reduce human error, and automate repetitive tasks. It can improve customer service, boost productivity, and even save lives in areas like healthcare or emergency response. Application: AI is used in almost every industry today: education, banking, agriculture, transportation, and entertainment. It supports smart classrooms, automates financial forecasting, powers driverless cars, and even personalizes learning. Challenges: but AI also comes with challenges. There are concerns about job displacement, biased data, privacy issues, and ethical risks. That's why it's important for students, teachers, and parents to understand how AI works and how it affects our lives. Summary: in simple words, artificial intelligence is a way to make computers think and act smart. It's already changing our world, and learning about it is the first step to using it wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy AI definitions. And check out the AI Dictionary by Susie Hala, available now on Amazon and online bookstores around the world.